A bun will be fine.
Okay.
And then can I get a sweet tea? You want to drink, man?
Yes, please.
Two sweet teas, 2 small ones.
Hi.
Okay, and you wanted to order up fries?
Yep.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
40.23.
So what is it?
He just spent $40 on.
That fire food's the flame, nigga. I'm gonna eat that shit up.
Yeah, we woke up, we went to the Dollar Tree to go pick up some things. I am going to do a bathroom makeover with you guys later on, and I'm gonna share that. And Kareem and I are looking like.
I am not crazy. No, I'm not crazy.
I ordered some Philly cheesesteak quesadilla with onion rings. Hubby has some burgers and fries and chicken wings. And Dream loves fries, so she has a whole plate of fries. And Papi has some boobies. I am about to give the shower a whole makeover. Like everything is around from delivery and daily stuff we've been doing is everywhere, sprinkled around. And we're gonna upgrade this whole bathroom up. From the drawers to, let me show you guys the drawers too. Kind of messy. Definitely messy. There's nothing in there, but it's dirty with hair and stuff. And messy. Understand? Like that.
Alright, first, you gotta get all this shit out of here. Then, on your hands and knees, scrub the floor.
Fuck you.
Go to Walmart, get some magic eraser. Come back, scrub the wall. Then, put it in there.
In case I have to be in court, I got this for, support.
She really gonna do it though.
So about 4 months ago, I gave birth to my beautiful baby boy, Kareem. We had a C-section with him. So basically, it really started in the middle of my pregnancy. I had a ultrasound. And he was breached. The doctor did inform me that it was okay. It's totally normal. He has plenty enough time to switch over to his position so we'd be able to have a normal delivery. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. One appointment before the last 2 appointments, we checked again and he was still breached. The doctor was like, okay, let's do this. We'll give it 2 more weeks. And 1 week you come in, we check to see if he is breached still. So we did check and he was still breached. So the doctor set up appointments for me to have this procedure where they switch the baby around to the correct position so we could have a normal delivery. And the doctor herself keeps rescheduling on me. So she called me. She's like, hey, Cynthia, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do the procedure today. We're going to have to reschedule for this date. So I was like, okay, that's fine. I'm chilling. My baby's chilling. We're good. We got God. We fine. The day before the day I have to go do the procedure, the doctor called again saying the same thing. I'm like, okay. Like, I've never heard of doctor scheduling on his patient. That's on a time clock, but okay. And then, unfortunately, the doctor rescheduled for 2 more days. So I was like, okay, cool. The next day, hubby was taking me out to eat. He did that before I had Dream too. That's like a way to do a little something before I have to be in bed, taking care of a newborn and all that extra stuff. So he took me out to eat. And then we went to I love that place. It is in Jacksonville. Anybody that is in Jacksonville that is happening to watch this video, you have to try that place. Babe, what's that place called? The biscuit place in Jacksonville? Yes, it's called Maple Street. Anybody that is in Jacksonville that is happening to watch this video, you guys have to try it. Maple Street. So I went in there and I ordered this order. It was really nice. It was sausage, gravy, and biscuit, and it was with the side of 2 beautiful, tasty, sweet, spicy sausage. It was so good, you guys. It was so freaking good. I was banging that thing to the point where I took some home for leftovers. So when I got home, drank some water, chilling, watching TV with my daughter, because I was been off from work for maternity leave. So I was just chilling at the house, cooling, getting ready for baby to get here. So time flew during the day, and then later on I got hungry again. I was like, I don't think I was really that hungry, but I was really bored. So I was like, I'm gonna eat the leftover food. So I warmed it up and then I ate it. I don't think I even finished. I didn't even finish the food, you guys. And then boom, this instant tummy ache came out of nowhere. When I tell you guys out of nowhere, that thing came out of nowhere. I had to use the bathroom so bad. So I went to go use the bathroom. Yeah, it was a lot. So I was like, oh my gosh, am I okay? My stomach was still hurting me after this. After I used the bathroom, it was still hurting me. I didn't know what to do. I was like, oh my gosh, did that food just mess me up? I don't know. I really don't know. I just used the bathroom. That's all I did. I used the bathroom and then my stomach was still hurting me. I'm like, okay, like what's going on? Like, why is my stomach hurting me that much? I'm over here thinking the food messed me up. But meanwhile, I was in labor this entire time. Didn't even know it. I really thought I got something. Okay, so I thought they were going to be bigger. I don't even know why. I just looked at the picture. I'm like, okay, this is exactly what I need. But then really pay attention to the size. And as for the curtains, I don't know. It just looks different. I don't know. I'm not really satisfied with this set, to be honest. This is for cotton balls. Do we have cotton balls? I'm not sure how cotton balls, but I know how cute. So I was like, okay, that's cool. So during the day, I still didn't know I was in labor. So I was talking to my fiance. I was like, babe, I don't know what's going on. This and that is happening. I Googled it, and they said usually during labor. Ta-da! Oh, this is my camera charger. Gotta make sure it's charging. This is the cleanup. We only had cotton swabs, so I just put that in there, and some hair accessories. And as for these two, we had to remember to pick that up. And I decided to put that on that side. I was really debating on where to put it. If it should be over here or over here or over here. But I just put it over there. I don't know. I might change it later on. And this is the new curtains we got from Amazon. I really am I'm not satisfied with it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not satisfied with it because it does not appear how I expected it to. And the look is not that, I don't know. And this don't really fit right. I feel like this look really ghetto, to be honest. Like, it don't fit right or anything. But everything is clean. I cleaned everything in here, every inch. And this, I thought this was gonna I don't even know why I don't look into information when I'm buying these things, because like, hello, this is, I really thought this was gonna be a long one, but apparently it is not, but it's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I will be finishing my story on the next one. Thank you. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.